How to fix login errors in Yango application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet errors. However, if you're still facing any kinds of problem while logging into your account, you can simply go to your settings, go to your general and tap on iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Yango application. Tap on Yango and simply offload application from here. Tap on reinstall application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login errors. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.